minutes. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in just a minute. Oh, never mind. I didn't even have to go cut it off because here we are again. So now I'm going to do a different kind of a haul. This one I got in the mail today. Oh my gosh. Instead of went shopping, it came to me. Of course, I went shopping online. And I don't know what to expect, but it was some Chanel items that I have wanted for a long time. I did splurge and I got them, so let's just see. Here it is. Now, these are all pre-loved. None of them are new, but they're pre-loved. Came in this little Chanel. This should be either the earrings or the necklace. I got a long chain necklace and these earrings. Okay, here's the earrings. And y'all, these are the CC with the dangle pearl. And I just think they're so classic. They can do anything from a suit to little black dress to, and this could be everything from a party to a funeral. They just are perfect. And here's the only thing, they are clip-on. So I'm going to take out this earring right now and just see how do they feel. These are the earrings that I got from Barnett & Company. I love them. They're black enamel with these little gold specks on it, and it looks so cute. Okay, here it goes. Am I going to return them or am I going to keep them? It's got the stamp on the back. These are very vintage. This is not a new style. This is a classic style. Will they stay on or will they pitch? Oh, those are perfect. They're going to stay right on. I can tell they're going to stay. They're not going to slide, and they don't pinch at all. So there it is. Y'all, I've always wanted these. I've always wanted Chanel pearl earrings and with the CC. And this is the one I want. And I saw them. I was like, you know what? They're not that expensive. They are used, but I cannot see any true wear on them. And they're that 24 karat gold, I think, plate. And, you know, these are the kind of earrings you got to be careful with them. Now, I will say this. Make a point when you get something that's pre-loved to try on both of them in case one of them is a problem. Is that going to stay? That's going to stay, and it's not pinching. Wow, that's really good for that era, y'all. These are probably somebody's grandma's earrings, and they took good care of them. And I love them. I've always wanted these. They're simple. They're just a pearl. There's a little bit of a scratch on one of them, but I think they're really beautiful. So that was one of the things that I have wanted, and I got them. So there, I got them. Let's see what else came. There should be a long, like 30-inch necklace in here as well. I don't know if it came along with those earrings because I ordered that. And I ordered, let's see, jumbo pearl earrings. Okay, this is the vintage purse that I ordered. This is a Chanel black vintage jumbo classic flat back 24 karat GHW lambskin. This was a lot. This is an investment piece, but I may not do like I did with my other jumbo and just be so careful that I never use it just because it's an investment piece. I think I really want to enjoy this if I like it. It's super jumbo, I can tell you that. It's much bigger than my other jumbo. So maybe there was a different concept of jumbo. This is vintage. This is older is what that means. Older. But that makes it more of an investment piece, meaning they don't make them anymore. It's harder to get them. Oh, this is very pretty. It's got a stamp in the CC. Inside the CC is a little square, and inside that is another one. Let's see what shape it's in. Okay, there's no feet on the bottom. This is a large jumbo, y'all. Look next to my face. Let's just open this and get the paper off. The reason they do that is so that the leather itself not touching each other all the time, because, you know, underneath. The Chanel Paris is on that, and it's pretty large. This says, this tag must be intact and untampered with. This was, I ordered this through Patina, P-A-T-I-N-A, Luxury Accessories Consignment. And here is a double. You can see this is very heavy, very heavy. And again, this is real 24 karat gold. And you obviously could pull that through and do a crossbody, but that is so long you don't need to. For me, that's the perfect size for a shoulder strap. It's very large. So let's just look at it. All right, let me see. I see the stamp in there. It's a sticker stamp without the little window that's usually over it. It says made in France right here. I don't know if you can see that. It says made in France right here. It's pretty large. It's got a big flap right here. You can throw your cell phone and keys in, which is important to me. And a lot of other room for either an organizer, which would make sense for this style of bag. It's got the CC on the zipper pull, which I like because I have Chanels that are real Chanels, and they have a leather zipper pull. And I'm like, why? This is a very high-end brand. Why would you not have the zipper pull have the logo? And again, I'm looking for it. There it is. I was like, I have yet to see the authentication card. And if you don't mind, while we're sitting here, I'm going to look. Hold on. That's a fine. You always check it. Always keep that. I keep it in the purse. Some people say don't do that because then if someone steals the purse, they've also got the authentication codes. Can I tell you something? If somebody steals your purse, you're kind of screwed anyway. You're probably never going to see it again. But anyway, so this is just a shiny, deep yellow gold. Almost looks like brass because it's 24 karat. Would I keep this? Let's see what it looks like standing up. Would I keep it? I think I would. I think I would. I think that is a really unique Chanel. It's a vintage Chanel. The only thing about vintage pieces is they make you look old when you're old. But I feel like, I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? Here it is up close. I'm going to put it in an angle so you can see this is lambskin leather. Yeah. Again, there is the big pocket on the back. You can put the cell phone in. So, I mean, it will be good. I mean, lambskin, you got to be careful. You do have to be careful with it. This would easily be a cross body. I mean, look at this. How long this is. Easily. So, it would look really cool. Especially with the right outfit, that could look really cool. It almost looks like a briefcase because it's so large. So, that's where you can get the modern feel out of it. It has a really good flow on the chain. Chain's in great shape. The grommet holes are in great shape. What do y'all think? There's a couple of little, I mean, again, this is not brand new. This is used. That's why the cheaper price, but it's considered an I think it was excellent condition, not very good. Meaning yet, actually I think it was very good because there's some little scuffs here and there, but they're so light. Little bitty scratches, but so light. And again, just to be able to own a Chanel, period, I feel like I like this one better because it's larger than my jumbo and the double flap. I like that this opens up and there is no flap. Actually, I know the point of the double flap is for, you know, someone not, you know, getting into your purse for pickpocketing and all that. Like if you're overseas and you're traveling and look like a tourist and all that. But for every day, it's kind of a hassle to always be moving that flap back. So I do like this better. I like the size of it better. I think it's wide enough, and it's certainly big enough for an organizer to be in there. Just, you know, I'm trying to be conscientious about not overstuffing these kind of bags. Being, you know, don't be, I've got everything in the kitchen sink to all people. Just take what you need. And a few other little pieces. I like to be there for people when they need like a Band-Aid or a sewing kit or all that. As long as it's lightweight, yes, I might still do that. So there's that. Should I go on with more? Is there more, Beth? Yes, there's a few other little items that I did get. Let me see where we're at. Yeah, we've got just a few more minutes. So this is empty boxes. Where's that? Non-empty. Okay, I also went to a place near me called Home and Hide, and I got this. Looks like a Gucci bracelet. Very, very pretty. And I really do like that one, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and keep this. And I will just go ahead and put that on right in front of y'all. How about that? Whoop. Flip it to yourself and then let it drop right into that little link. There we go. And I like when it has a few links hanging down. I think that looks really feminine. And I think that looks good because it's kind of a silver gold, whereas this other stuff has been more of a yellow gold, brassy gold. I got this as a gift, and I'm not going to say for who, but I think these are so pretty. I got me a green one, and I got her a blue and an orange. I think she's a big Auburn fan, or her daughter is. And also she has a really good tan and wears a lot of orangey dresses and nails. And I just think this is going to be so pretty. And these are just beautiful crystals. And it's just, they're stretchy. You can just put them right on like that. Not pretty? I just think that's so pretty. Look. Look up close. Aren't they pretty? I love them. But this is going to be a gift. Holding it out for Christmas. That'll be a Christmas gift. Yes, I'm already starting on Christmas gifts. I like to start early, y'all. So there. And then the other thing that I got from that same company is some of these little, what do you call, scent bags, little herbal bags that you can put in your purse. Like if they have an odor to them. Sometimes leather in the summer, if you don't have a humidifier, which I do have one, but I didn't have it on, they can get a smell. Like my Matisse Pochette Louis Vuitton has got a smell to it, and I thought I need to put one of these in there. So that's why I got a couple of those. And then while I was there, they had this wonderful, y'all know I got this hand cream, and then I went ahead and got this soap. And this is Old Whaling Company in the fragrance Magnolia, and it's just bar soap. So I'll smell really good when I get out of the shower. Like cute. Anyway, that's all. I guess the big huzzah is my new Chanel. What do y'all think? Do you think I should keep it? Do you think it would be a good investment bag, or just enjoy it for fun? So y'all tell me what you think, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!